Pleasant evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope you've had a wonderful day. Looking at some of the conditions we had a reduction in the ground frost that occurred across the country, with the Nyanga, Mondoro, and Matopos recording slight frost, whilst only Henderson had moderate frost with -1 degree Celsius. And as we look at the cause of that, we had a cooling southeasterly airflow, which brought in a bit of moisture over the southern part of the country, entering in through Gonorrhoea National Park into Chiredzi and Beitbridge districts, thus reducing the ground frost across much of the country. But however, over the north, we had mostly sunny and warm conditions, as seen here in our satellite image. But that moisture drifting into the south should still cause a bit of cloudiness as we get into tomorrow, Friday. But as we get towards the weekend, it should be mostly sunny and warm across much of the country. Cooling winds are, however, projected on Monday. Therefore, as you get prepared for this cooling conditions, please look at the temperatures for tonight. We were expecting it to be much better over the southern parts because of that moisture drifting in, but the afternoon should be cooler over the southern areas. We were expecting a few places to reach the 17s, but for Bulawayo, we're expecting a maximum of about 23 degrees Celsius with moisture that is drifting in over those southern areas. The morning temperatures are still in the cool category because of that moisture as we get into the weekend, but it should warm up around Sunday thereabout. Same for Matopo, we're expecting it to reach about 29 on Sunday, so it should be generally warm across board. But on Monday, cooling winds are also projected again. For Gwanda, we're expecting warmer weekend as well, with temperatures going up to 28, but for tomorrow, slightly chilly with maximum only reaching the teens because of that cloud cover. For Gweru, slight cooling winds are projected for tomorrow, but as we get into the weekend, it's mostly sunny and warm. A return of cooling winds is projected on Monday into Tuesday, and same for Masvingo. We're expecting cooling winds again to drift in on Monday and Tuesday, and also for tomorrow. Whilst the weekend is mostly sunny over Nyanga, we're expecting a bit of clouds there. And for Marondera, we're expecting clouds to also drift in as we get into the weekend, and also affecting us on Monday again, with maximum slightly dropping there. For Harare, we're expecting moisture to also drift in around Monday, but for much of this weekend is generally sunny and warm. Kwekwe and Kadoma are expecting mostly sunny conditions with warmer weekend, and cooling winds just should slightly affect it around Tuesday thereabout, where our maximum for Kadoma is at 26, and sunny conditions later on in the week. For Chinhoyi, we're expecting those cooling winds again around Monday thereabout, but the rest of the week should be generally sunny and warm. Same for Victoria Falls, we're expecting mostly sunny conditions, and for Lupani as well, it's mostly sunny for much of this week, with brief cloudy periods here and there. Same for Bindura, with mostly warm conditions across board. The mornings are rather cool at first, becoming warmer as the day progresses. Same for Kariba, in the mild category at first, becoming warmer by afternoon. So the perfect place to be for this cooling wintry work. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Goma Jr. for the Met Department.